What's up, Hemifam family? Ryan with Hemifam, back with another awesome, exciting video for you guys. On this channel, we do mods, unboxings, reviews, installs, you name it. And in today's video, we're gonna be unboxing the Craftsman 282-piece mechanics tool set in gunmetal chrome and showing all you awesome humans at home just exactly what you're gonna get in this kit, in the box. If you were to purchase this, I just got this from my local Lowe's along with this Craftsman 2000 series tool chest. So I figured, what better way to fill the tool chest than to fill it with some gunmetal chrome Craftsman 282-piece mechanics tool set. So that is exactly what we're gonna be doing today. If you follow this channel, I apologize for the short break. I had to take some time to, gather myself, focus on me, and now we are back, ready to make videos for you guys. I've been working on this garage, trying to get it up to shape, to the next level for the customers, videos, all that good stuff. So let's go ahead and get off into today's video. If you are new here, be sure to like this video, hit that subscribe button. You're definitely not gonna wanna miss all the awesome content we have lined up in store for you. So let's get off into today's video and see what's in the box, guys. All right, guys, like I said, let's take a closer look and see what exactly is inside of this box. Take a little blade here, ever so slightly. Not to damage anything inside. These should be in basically plastic containers, so shouldn't damage anything. And first and foremost, you have your Craftsman. It's basically a parts list that shows you everything that comes in the kit, all the ratchets, drivers, all that good stuff. So you can inventory it and you know what you have and what may be missing, or if you have this kit for a while and so if you find something missing, you'll know exactly what you have here. So let's get that out of the way and we will dig into our first box here. Let me get this off. Okay, so this is layer 1 in the box. Let's see what we got. So, right off the bat, these are in kind of a plastic housing of a box. We'll get a close-up for you guys here, but it's kind of a shiny clear. And let's kind of see a little bit closer without the glare what exactly we got going on in this bad boy here. But the screwdriver looks really, really nice, guys. I'm really liking this. Naturally, you would put a socket on it. Really cool. I'm really liking this gunmetal chrome. Check out this ratchet. Looks really, really good, guys. Listen to that. You hear that? Sounds really, really good. These are supposed to be 120 tooth on the ratchet. They do feel pretty smooth. I think it's like a 3-degree arc. So that's pretty good. Not bad. You got your stars. Nothing too crazy there. Your standard stuff. But I mean, look at these extensions. I mean, it's nice that it comes with all of this ready to rock in the kit. So, I mean, you shouldn't have to buy anything extra. This is layer 1. Let's get into the next layer here. See what's in this bad boy. I was hoping these were gonna fit in the box, in these cases in here. Doesn't look like that's gonna happen. I will most likely have to get some socket deals from Lowe's, but not a problem. We can do that. And here's a great big jar of sockets. It looks like a couple of them have fallen through, but I mean, these are real nice. Have metric and standard. So this is what you get in the second layer. Lots and lots of sockets, guys. I mean, with this, you can pretty much work on and fix just about anything. Here's a 1-inch one, and everything in between, all the way down to a 4. So tiny. So the second layer is full of sockets. Let's go ahead and get this out the way. Carrying on over into the third, and for some reason the tape is marked. So I don't know what that means. It's probably in the directions I didn't read, or that part slip. So, what do we got here? Looks like more sockets. Let's get that out the way. This plastic off. And you got your deep sockets. Yeah, this kit literally has everything, guys. Oh my gosh. Look at all this gun chrome metal goodness. Let's jump into the fourth and final, and this is actually the lightest out of all of them, guys, believe it or not. And here's our wrenches. So this is the fourth and final layer here, guys. This is it. We have wrenches. Let's flip this over, and again, you have a good variety, a good style of wrenches here. This is a 16 all the way down to a baby 6, and so forth in metric and standard. You do have some bit drivers. So I mean, like I said, guys, you are fully stocked up with this toolkit to do anything and everything in this garage, anyone else's garage. The price, this came out to about $230 out the door for what you get in the kit without having to buy anything else extra on the side. The Craftsman warranty lifetime, I know they haven't been the best, but they are working their way up. So we're gonna give them a shot in this garage. And Craftsman storage, Craftsman tools, and we are going to give it a full send, guys. All right, Hemifam family, that is going to pretty much wrap it up for today's video. If you like this video, if it helped you, be sure to give it a huge thumbs up, subscribe, leave a comment in the comment section below. Let me know what you guys think of the Craftsman name brand tools, this kit, their comeback. Drop it all in the comments, guys. Let me know. And again, I do apologize for the long vacation that we took, but like I said, guys, I had to take some time off to evaluate everything going on in the world, focus on myself, and we are gonna be coming back stronger, better than ever, guys. Lots of great content from garage upgrades, insulating the doors. We have a lot of great videos coming up, scat pack videos, you name it, guys. So I really can't thank all the loyal subscribers, everybody that sent us messages asking if we were okay, where we were at, what we've been doing. You guys are the real MVPs and why we make these videos. If we can help just one person, our job is done. So I can't thank each and every one of you enough. Be sure to give us a like on this video, subscribe before you go, and as always, guys, we will see you in the next one. Peace.